In UAE, we have a two type of employment contract, which is limited and unlimited. Today, we are going to see how to calculate it for the unlimited contract, gratuity pay for resignation and termination. Firstly, we can see that if the employer terminate an employee under unlimited contract. If the employer terminate the employee less than 1 year, which is 6 months will calculate as the probation period. So for the less than 1 year, the staff or the people, they are not entitled for any of the gratuity. So they will get it zero pay. Now we can see for if the employee complete more than 1 year and less than 5 years, how the calculation will be. So the staff will be eligible or entitled for 21 calendar days for the basic salary for each year of the first 5 years of work. The gratuity is calculating basic salary into 21 into the year of service divided by 30. So that is the calculation of in between 1 to 5 years. If the employee is completed more than 5 years of service, then the employee is entitled to 30 days calendar basic salary for each additional year, provided the entire compensation does not exceed 2 years pay. Now we can move on. Employee resign under the unlimited contract. There is a very big difference on the employee resign and for the employer terminate, but most of the companies are calculating same like how the employee resign under unlimited contract. So we can go ahead with the duration of the service and the calculations. If the employee is less than 1 year, same like for the employer terminate and the employee resign will be the result will be the same, which is they are not eligible to get it any of the gratuity. Now, if the employee completed between 1 to 3 years, the employee is he or she is entitled to get it for the 7 days gratuity, which is the calculation is basic salary into 7 into the service years divided by 30. We saw already for the employer terminate the staff, which is calculating for 1 to 5 years, but the employee resign, then we are calculating 1 to 3 years only. Then the next one, if the employee completed in between 3 to 5 years, then the employee is entitled to get it 14 days salary. So the calculation is basic salary into 14 days into service years divided by 30. If the employee completed 5 years or more than 5 years, then he or she is entitled to get it for 21 calendar days pay. The calculation is basic salary into 21 days into service years divided by 30. This will be the calculation of 5 or more than 5 years. Thank you for watching my channel. See you.